forest, or whatever you want to call it. I came here last night with my brother, his girlfriend, and my brother's other friend, and yeah, we came up here at like night. The sky was so cool. The clouds were all gray, and because it was raining a lot that day, so the clouds were still kind of gray, and we came up here and the sky was just so pretty back there. You could see the sun setting. It was like orange, and there was some purple in the sky. I'll put some pictures from yesterday. So yeah, there's my shadow. Hi. Shadows are so cool. And then there's me and my shadow. Don't go. Wait. Oh, where should I go? Whew. Whoa. It's very deciduous where I live. So pretty, though. I can't wait to explore in some, like visit some tropical places someday, though. I really want to travel to some other countries and just all over the United States and go to like a bunch of different cool places. I'm planning to live in an RV someday. Look at that beautiful tree. All these trees, they're just having a little get together. It's not really a get together because they're getting together all the time. But they've been together for quite some time. Haven't you guys? You've been sitting here for quite some time. They get to watch all the sunrises and sunsets. So yeah, there's this you can see the mountains over there, and there's just a little very slanty hill over here, and you can like go down to the bottom. I don't know if I'm gonna go down or not. I probably will, because how can I resist? So yeah, I'll show you when I get down to the bottom. I didn't put it this way yet, so this is me. So I can sort of hear the water down there. If you listen carefully, there's a little creek or whatever running down there, and I can hear it. So I want to find it. It's so pretty and calm. Usually when I go on hikes or walks or whatever, I like to listen to music, and this time I decided not to listen to music and just take some videos and pictures. And it's really nice because I mostly just listen to music and I don't really listen to what's actually going on around me, and I just listen to music. And that's great too, because then you get to combine that awesomeness of music and nature together, and it's awesome. That combination is just so beautiful. But when you just listen to nature, it's so pretty and calming. I'm not used to quietness. I like things to be loud. So it's nice and quiet though. So I'm walking down this, this slanty area, and there's a mountain up there too. I can't wait till summer and just till when it gets nicer, because I am gonna explore the heck out of this place because it is so cool, and I'm gonna try and go all the way up there sometime. It's so nice coming here alone. Usually I go with my sister or something. It's so nice. So yeah, I'm almost at the bottom. It's kind of hard to get down here. You gotta be kind of careful, but oh, I can see the water down there. I'll show you when I get down there. It's gonna be kind of hard to get back up, but it'll be fine. Oh, it might be very echoey in here. Hello? Yeah, I can hear my echo, sort of. Echoes are so cool. You just hear your voice in a different perspective. Like, you're just hearing your voice. Hello? It's so cool. Oh my gosh, I get super intrigued by weird things like that. Ooh. Oh, hi. Hi, me again. Just chilling with this tree here. Oh, it's getting windy. Wind is like my favorite kind of weather, when it's just windy and the sun is shining. It's just that combination of sunniness and wind. I've been hugging a lot of trees lately. I sound so weird. They deserve some love. Yeah. This one's really big. Whew, and it's like leaning. So I'm just like leaning on the tree. Just taking a little break here. Whew, my hair is going all over the place. Oh, also, so I've been trying to make better videos and just edit more stuff. Do some more editing for my videos. And I'm thinking about getting a camera, like asking for a camera for my birthday or something, but like I don't know how to use a camera. I'm gonna end up just being like, no thanks, I don't want to try and figure all that out. It's too much to just figure that out. But I don't know, all those people with really cool YouTube channels, they have cameras and stuff, and so I feel like that would be really cool, because I seriously want to do YouTube, and I want to try and grow my YouTube channel and just make really nice videos, because I'm very inspired by, you know, all those YouTubers that just have awesome videos and they edit all their videos, and it's just super cool. One of my favorite YouTubers right now, her name is Hitomi Machizuki, and her videos have been really inspiring, so I'm trying to sort of make videos like hers, just vlogs and stuff. So that's why I'm doing this little hike vlog. So yeah, I'm still not to the bottom yet. I'm almost there. We're halfway there. No. Weird looking tree. It's like, it's not a tree. It's just like a random weird thing. Woo, okay. There's a little path down there or something. I'm almost at the water. I can hear it. And I can hear the wind. Taking videos, like, the videos are a lot, like, the quality, you just can't see what I'm seeing, obviously, even though, like, you're taking a video. The quality is so much better in real life. Oh my gosh, there's a deer. There's a deer. Oh, I don't know if I can get it on video. It's all the way on the other side. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It was, like, over there somewhere. Oh, yay. There's a deer. There's a lot of deer here, probably. Well, that was cool. What was I saying before? Oh yeah, the quality isn't as cool. That's kind of obvious, but you know, I wish you could just see what I'm seeing. But you can. If you go, there's always places that you can find wherever you are. That might seem kind of hard to believe, but just think about it. There's always something. There's always some kind of nature somewhere, wherever you are. There's the sun. The sun is so cool. It's just so bright, and obviously I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. Okay, I'm gonna walk down here. Maybe I'll be able to see the deer better when I get down there. See that little path down there? Yeah. We're here. We're at the bottom. Woo! These leaves are really slippery. And it looks muddy down there. But yeah. So let's try and get down here. I got like a little video of the deer. I'll put it like at the end of the video or something. Oh boy. Yeah. Oh my. Oh my gosh, there's like a house over there. This is probably private property. Well, too bad. I don't see how anything can be private property. So here's the little creek I was talking about. So this is literally like a whole path. I kind of want to see where it leads to. There's like a ton of dirt in my shoes. Ew, ew, ew. There's like mud everywhere. Yeah. Well, I kind of want to see where this path goes to. I don't know if I should like record it or... I don't know, I'm kind of just recording here and there, and then I'll put them all together when I edit this. I really want to get better at editing, because it's, when there's like a video that's edited, and it's just really cool, and, you know, that's how you make good videos. I really gotta get this dirt out of my shoe. Oh, whatever. Look at this. This little place here. All these trees fell. Do, 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 do. Hear that? I'm gonna have a hard time naming this video. I don't really know like what to name stuff. And also, I've been having, this is one thing that I want to say, I've been taking tons of videos for my channel, to put on my channel, and I can't really post videos very easily because I literally don't have a way to post them. Also, I literally don't have a way to get across here except for going through the water. I can sort of jump over here. Hold on. Yeah, I don't even have a way to post videos really, because on my phone it does this weird thing where it is like uploading, but then it just goes to this weird screen and it's like this web page isn't working. Like, I don't know. I don't know what's happening with that, because I used to sort of be able to post videos on my phone, but so then I try sending them to myself. I try sending my videos to my computer, like through Gmail, so I can post it on my computer. But that doesn't work, because if the video is too long, it says that it can't send it because the video is too long. So, and then at my dad's computer, that's the only way it really works. He has like an Apple computer, so I have to airdrop it to the computer, and that works sometimes. But if the video is too long, like his storage is kind of getting, like he's running out of storage on his computer, so that's kind of hard to do too, because if it's too long, it doesn't really work. So yeah, that's kind of the problem I've been trying to fix. So if you have any ideas of ways I can post my videos more easily, then that'd be great. Shimmery, shimmery. Everything's so shimmery. Might as well just take a video like this. I should probably go back, but I'm kind of stuck now. The worst part about going on hikes is like going back, because you just like took all that time to come down, and then you just gotta go all the way back. Whew, it's hot down here. The sun is like right up there. Isn't it always right up there? Da, 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 da. I don't know what to talk about. I'm just, oh, isn't that cute? I'm on my little path. I think I'm gonna go up here now. Like I'm gonna start to go up now. I kind of walked farther away, so when I get to the top, I'm gonna get to like a different spot in the field. And then when I get back home, I'm gonna edit this, and I'm gonna try to post it. hopefully this posts, because I think this will be a really good video. So yeah, I'm gonna come back to my video when I get near the top. Sun on my head is my crown. I gotta figure out a way to cross this. Oh, well, that won't be that hard. Yeah, I just gotta cross this little thing and then go up there. That was quite the adventure. Oh my gosh, I'm tired. See, I get tired so quickly. All I did was I came across there and I had to like hold on to that tree there, and like I literally had to like grab onto it and like pull myself up. But like I'm just tired from doing that, and then I had to like crawl up there sort of. So now I'm just chilling with this tree here and taking a little break. It's so nice. I really want to go further up the path, but I'll do that some other day, I guess. I think I might be going to sleep over at my friend's house today. I made a fire today. I like never really made a fire before by myself. It wasn't really completely by myself, but I just like asked my dad if I could make a fire. So I like gathered some sticks and stuff, and I put it on the fire. I wonder if it's still going, because I kind of just like left it there and I put some logs on it and stuff so it would last longer. I don't even know if my dad knows where I am. I told Karina to tell him where I was. There's this tree. It's like this, and then the branch at the top is just like, I'll show you. It's like an L, but you can see that that part broke off there. So I'm almost there. You can start to see the blue sky over here, and I'm really tired from coming up the hill. Earlier I didn't really feel that good. I was just like I just didn't really feel very good. But after coming on this hike, it just made me like completely feel better. And I had some fruit earlier. I'll put that in the thing. I made like a fruit salad and it was really good. So I've been trying to eat healthy today, and I might have a salad later or something. So you can start to see the field. Whew, I'm really hot. I love how when it's warm out, when you just like look really closely, you can literally see like at the top of like the grass and like where like the wind is like blowing, you can literally see like the sun, like the sunlight, like the heat waves, if you know what I'm talking about. Like you can literally see like the heat just like flowing around. I don't know if you know what I mean, but it's kind of hard to explain. So, yep, here we are. This is where we come out of the forest, and there's just a big field here. Taking my jacket off. Whew. That was fun. Still gotta go back now.
I was a moving thing before I was a human being. I was the ice before it melts. I was the tree before it fell. My dear, come near. Do you understand what is happening? Crawl beneath the earth to feel the hunger and the thirst. If you could fly and be the bird, then you would see the forest burn. My dear, come near.
So I'm back back to the hills and valleys, and I'm about to go back down. It's kind of hard to go back down because it's really steep when you go back down. Yeah, so you kind of have to walk like slow and just like be really careful when you go down. They like cut all these trees over here. There used to be like more trees over here, and they're just stacked over here. Whoa, there's like a bunch of bugs over here. They're so cute. Hi. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's not over yet, but I'm probably gonna keep going for a little until I get back, but I hope you liked it so far, and when I get back, I'll show you guys the fire that I made, if it's still going, or I'll just get it going again and then show you. I had a really good day today, and yeah. I loved the birds. They were like one of the best parts of this today, this hike. Just watching the birds just soaring across the sky. Over there, you can see that blue building. That's like my old school. I hate school. Just an opportunity to say that real quick. Yeah, I haven't really been liking school very much this year. There's some things that I like about it, but I just realized how useless school is, and you may think I'm stupid for saying that, but we learn so much that we truly don't need, and it wastes so much of our time. Like, I don't have, like, of course kids should have an education, they need to learn things, but the things that they teach you are quite useless, and it literally just takes away from kids' childhoods. Just think about it, from like 5 all the way till like 17, 18, they spend all this time, and then after they get out of school, you know, you tell the kids like they need to find a job now, and so like their whole school, they're trying to figure out what they want to do when they grow up, and then when they grow up, they may end up getting some job that, again, it's, you know, they spend their day there, and, you know, so much of their time is wasted. Just think about all the time that is wasted for kids and for adults. You know, you go to school, and then when you're older, you go to your job. And so I'm planning to have a job where when I'm older, I'm planning to have a job where you don't just go there every day. I want to try and work from home, or you know, I want to be a singer someday, but this is the whole problem. You know, I don't want to be a singer, I don't want to be a blah blah blah. I want to do the things that I love, and you may think I'm really stupid for saying all this, but it's true. I don't care what you say, it's true. Because, you know, you'll say like, but we need jobs to make money and have food for, of course. But I'm saying that's not how things should be, in my opinion. You know, we shouldn't have to work hard for this paper money that we use to buy food. We can grow our own food, and you know, so many things could have better solutions. Anyway, I ranted a bit in this video about just random things, but I'll come back to the video when I get back to my house. So I'm almost home now. My house is right down there. So you're just gonna go down this hill here, That's my neighbor's house. We used to jump on their trampoline all the time, but it broke. So yeah, we don't really do that anymore. This place brings back so much memories. We used to come up here all the time when we were kids. And this tree down here, let me show you this tree. This tree right here. This has just been our tree like our whole life. We just used to come up here and climb it and stuff. We used to call it the tree. We just called it the tree. And we would like say, we would ask our parents, we'd be like, can we go up to the tree? But yeah, my sister just climbed it today. Yeah. I want to try climbing more trees this summer. It's kind of hard to find the right trees to climb. This one's pretty good. But I don't even remember like how I even got up here. I think you like come up here, but that's kind of hard. I don't know. I haven't climbed it so long. And then there's my tree house. We have a tree house down there. My dad built it. So yeah. I'll show you the fire when I get back down there. And then I think it'll be the end of the video. So thank you for watching. I'm just gonna put some extra random stuff at the end. Some stuff that like, you know, some other random pictures that I got while I was up there and everything.